Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of TownTalkBiz. My name is Andy Bhala, and today we have Mike, who is the owner of Simplegate Tax Preparation Services in Northwest Calgary. I'm really excited to get to know Mike and his business. And I just want to thank you, Mike, for being on the show.
Thank you, Andy. It's a pleasure to be able to join you today, and looking forward to have a fruitful and engaging discussion today.
Sure. Let's get started, Mike. So, Mike, let's start with your full name.
My name is Mike Totin, and more questions from you.
Sure. And what's your business?
Yeah, so I'm the CEO and the lead consultant of Simplegate Tax. So we do offer a wide range of services, starting from personal income tax preparation and filing services to trust income tax account setup, filing of return for trusts, consulting services for tax planning, benefits application, and even review of benefits to guide Canadian taxpayers to review benefits. So the goal of the organization is to, in a proactive and a customized approach, and in a professional manner, tackle tax issues for Canadian taxpayers who might be residents or even non-residents. We do have products and solutions that cater for be it students, professionals, self-employed individuals, income earners, foreign income earners, or even newcomers to Canada, right? As well as rental income earners, pension income earners, or even Canadians with zero income, but they have to still file to probably get some income tax related benefits. And we are open to customers 7 days of the week. So, yeah.
That's good. And okay, one thing interesting when I always ask about when I interview someone is why did you choose to like come in this neighborhood? What's the main reason for it?
Oh, that's interesting. Quarantine is the face of the new north. That's my belief. It's
I agree.
It's located off the Stony Trail, and you would notice that getting around is quick and easy. You can easily connect with Barefoot Trail. You can connect with Country Hills Boulevard, the Shaganapi Trail, all of this within minutes.
Yeah.
The future of the community is looking really bright. It's planned to be a walkable neighborhood. We're already seeing, we're going to be seeing more of a commercial center with shops, schools, and hopefully the future LRT station. As it is now, it's only minutes away from all of those necessary amenities we can find. Country Hills Town Center, Iron Mills, Costco,
Yeah, so, even the Carrington Plaza, right? We have McDonald's right outside the road.
Yes, Carrington Plaza. So,
yeah. So, Mike, what made you open this business? Before this year, I assume you were doing a job. So what did change that you end up opening a business for yourself?
Yes. So over the past 5 years, or more, I would say more than that, I have observed a gap in the quality of service received by Canadian taxpayers when they seek assistance in filing their personal income tax returns or even applying for income tax related benefits. It's that gap that our Simplegate is set up to fill and provide a quality service in an effective and efficient manner. So the goal is to provide a very qualitative service to bridge that gap, which I have noticed. And some of it comes from, when I talk about gap, I have been able to notice that coming from me having an inside perspective with the agency at some point while working with the agency. And yes, it's that gap we are closing at this point.
Yeah, and I agree with you. I mean, a lot of professionalism is lacking in this industry, right? So we do need some good professionals to basically help the Canadians to save money and also stay out of trouble, both.
Right.
So why did you choose this profession?
I would say that I've always loved to be a solution provider, and I'm passionate to always provide what I would call an outstanding service with my knowledge.
Okay.
What has been a catalyst for me in choosing this profession can be attributed to my years of experience as a worker with the agency, the tax agency. My skills were honed with the agency within those years I had spent. And I would also see I've seen most of the challenges people operate with in terms of their taxes. So it was it's something I love doing. I love to provide, I like to see people smile, while I solve their problems. And that gave birth to this to Simplegate.
Got it. Actually, that was one of my questions as well. Like, what keeps you motivated? Right, it's a lot of work with you guys, especially in the beginning of the year, the first quarter of the year. So, what keeps you motivated?
So
Other than a smile on people's face.
Sure. It's my biggest driver. I have seen people complain and say I can't file my taxes because I can't even afford to do that. So I always like to make an appreciable impact in whatever community I am in. And with what Simplegate is also offering to do is to also, at pocket-friendly rates, provide excellent customer service, getting a smile, like we said. The focus is getting a smile on customers, optimizing their tax returns and their benefits, applying and getting that effective service that most Canadian taxpayers always want. Virtually every Canadian taxpayers want. So that it's the biggest driver for me. Anything I'm doing that provides makes an appreciable positive impact and transformation to the community, I'm always involved. Let me not forget to say that I have provided pro bono services in the past. That's no cost to certain low-income earners in terms of providing assistance to filing tax returns.
Do you still do that?
We would still do that. I would say that you're still going to be doing that. Yeah, sure. In some way, yeah.
Okay. So what is something that you want to tell people, like which most people don't know about this whole, I would say the taxation about overall, like what people don't know?
Yeah. So in terms of taxes, I see a lot of taxpayers, some Canadian taxpayers who don't know that the filing as earnestly as possible is important, and piling it up also might begin to lead to some other tax. It might be assumed as a tax evasion. So to file your tax return, also you want to get benefits. There are lots of benefits that are associated, like the Canada Child Care benefits. I have seen people assume that because they have no income, they don't have to file tax return. So, that's a common assumption as well. And they are leaving some money on the table they could have received in terms of benefits. A lot of benefits like the GST, some provincial benefits that are related with that are administered by the tax agency of the country.
So if your income is zero for the year, you still have to file taxes, you mean?
In many cases, so let's say, for example, someone who does have a child and they are eligible for the child care benefits, they are expected to file a tax return to get benefits, or even GSTs. It's a quarterly benefit that is paid. The CCB is a monthly one. There are other ones as well that are a provincial benefit that they have to file. And if they don't file, what happens is that no benefits can be calculated. They lose out on those benefits.
Got it. Okay. So even despite that, let's say the person who is not looking to get any benefit, but is not working, right? And that the reason could be, like, let's say homemaker, right? Whose husband is working, but the wife is not. In this kind of case, you think the wife is still, able to file the taxes, or no?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
All right.
They should be filing. So
Okay.
the wife should be, the homemaker should be filing the taxes. So
Okay.
irrespective of zero income. Failure to do that means no benefits get calculated, or it might be assumed. As long as if let's using your example you provided, if they've been assumed to have been, if they've reported to be married, or common law as it may apply, the expectation is that to determine the benefit for the family income is what determines the benefit. So if one of that income or it's not provided,
Mhm.
it's there is no way the benefits entitlement can be calculated.
Okay. Okay. That's something new. Like I didn't know that. Like if your income is zero, you still file taxes.
Sure.
Okay. What are the other factors that made you choose this particular neighborhood? And with the neighborhood, I mean the North Calgary, the Northwest Calgary. You used to live in Northeast before, right?
Sure, you're
So
right.
your friends, your family might be still there, and you choose to come out of that and come into Northwest. What is the reason for that?
I really like the serene and the serene nature. I like the park. I like the fact that you have, like I said also earlier, in terms of it's closer to certain leisure activities as well. Like I was at the Hampton Park to play tennis. I
Okay.
play tennis as a leisure sport. So I like the proximity to those leisure activity. My daughter, currently it's also I can easily take them to my daughter to the karate class. I like the fact
Okay.
that we're
The
close
one
to.
in Carrington Plaza, I believe, that just opened a couple of months ago, right? Yeah.
You're
Okay.
right. So it's those are the things that I enjoy doing. So it's I really love the community, and I'm always interested and happy to contribute to the community.
Nice. That's really good. What else do you do besides work and playing tennis, which you already told? So your hobbies. When you're not working, what people should imagine Mike is doing?
Okay. I love to play board games. I do that with my wife. I play chess in particular. Sometimes I do it online. So I found chess to be mind stimulating. So I like to play chess a lot. Um, I recall at some point I used to play in competitions, but I not in the last few years I've not had the cost to attend the competition. But yeah, I love to play chess. I play badminton once in a while, but not
Badminton.
often.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
yeah.
I play that too. So
Oh,
badminton is the
interesting.
only sport I think I am playing ever since I came in this neighborhood because I go to the YMCA, which is close by, and the only the interested sport I find is playing badminton.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay. Maybe one
maybe
of these days we can have a game, huh?
sure. Yeah, let's do that. Do you go to YMCA by chance?
I have not been there in the recent, it's been a while I've been there. And that was even before I moved to Carrington. But yes, I would
But
I,
you have visited, right?
yes, that's
Okay,
correct.
yeah, it's really beautiful. It's big and it's clean and it's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Mike, it was really a lot of interesting and new information for me, and I hope for our people who are viewing this video. But what is the best way to contact you? Like, provide your contact details, and we'll go from there.
Oh, sure. For us to be for us to be reached out to, you can give us a call on 587-917-4653 to schedule an appointment. You might as well send an email. It's simplegate 777 at gmail.com. So that's simplegate777 at gmail.com. We are open, like I said earlier, 7 days in a week. We are here to serve you, providing you those outstanding services. We could also come for physical appointments, 356 Carringway Place in Northwest Calgary, Alberta. We are here to serve you.
Great, awesome. Thank you everyone for watching this, and thank you, Mike, for joining this. people, please reach out to Mike for any tax information. Even if you're not filing the taxes, I would say Mike is quite knowledgeable. So do make a call, ask him any questions. And to find all his contact information, I'll be doing that on the my website as well, which is parkbench.com/Carrington-Livingston. Thank you, everyone.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much.